Some dishes aren't just food, they're stories. And Nihari is one of those royal tales written in spice and time. Born in the royal kitchens of Delhi and now celebrated as the national dish of Pakistan, Nihari has traveled across borders, carrying with it memories, traditions, and irresistible aroma. In the lanes of Old Delhi and the streets of Lahore, as dawn breaks, and the air fills with the scent of slow cooked meat, Nihari is being served. Today we're making that same authentic mutton nihari, slow cooked for hours, until every bone, every drop of gravy carries the depth of pure love and patience. We start with mustard oil, the soul of North Indian cooking. Let it smoke. This reduces its pungency. To the oil, add sliced onions and fry until they are a nice golden brown for that sweetness which balances the spice. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and saute to get rid of the raw smell. Next goes the tender bone-in mutton for full flavor. Let it sear till the meat changes color. Now comes the heart of this dish, the Nihari masala. You may use a ready-made masala, but making it at home takes this dish to the next level. Click on the video link at the top right-hand corner for my Nihari masala video. Add salt, about a tablespoon and a half. You may adjust the salt later once the Nihari is ready. Fry for 6 to 8 minutes till the mutton is coated in the spices and has acquired a deep color. Add water, cover, and let it cook. Not for minutes, but for hours, until the meat melts at a touch and the oil rises to the top like liquid gold. When the nihari is done, look closely. That shimmering layer on top, that's pure magic. This golden oil carries all the depth of the spices, all the patience of hours of slow cooking. Now gently skim this liquid gold. And when it's time to serve, we'll drizzle it back over the nihari. To give nihari that signature silky body, pour in a slurry of 2 tablespoons of roasted whole wheat flour and water in a thin stream, stirring constantly. Let it bubble for 6-8 minutes until the gravy turns glossy and velvet smooth. Add in a handful of coriander leaves and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, we crown it with a tatka of ghee infused with green chilies, ginger juliennes, and fried onion. The moment it hits the pot, the aroma fills your kitchen and your heart. Drizzle the liquid cold we had set aside and garnish with fresh coriander and fried onions. And there you have it, the breakfast of the common man that found its way to the royal kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. where every dish tells a story. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.